Okay, so hello everyone. So today I have received this Lenovo laptop motherboard G50-70. Okay, so let me remove the sticker. As you can see, this is NM A272 272, sorry. So let me show you. This is in dead condition. Just keeping my multimeter in diode range, ground 1 probe, and this is our V in supply. This is positive, I think. Okay, it's giving me some sort of impedance. This is ground. Then this is our sensor resistor over here. As you can see, it is giving beep, means our V in is short. Let me check other coils. Okay, this is 5 volt and 3.3 volt section. This is our RAM coil. Okay, 3.3 volt line is also okay. So just we are going to check one more section, which is battery. Okay, so first of all we are going to make a jumper wire on this sensor resistor for removing short. Okay, this is my jumper wire. Just make a jumper on sensor resistor. Okay, that's okay. Next step, connect your DC supply. Just turn on DC supply and increase voltage little bit. Right now it's consuming on 1.5 volt, 1.6 milliamps, and just check for heating on motherboard. Okay, something is hitting over here. Let me check on this point. Something over here. Okay, something is hitting, and I think this capacitor is leaked one. So let me pour some alcohol on this. Okay, again, as you can see, this is the capacitor culprit. So just we are going to remove this. Just apply some flux, take some soldering wire. Okay, so solder like this, and just apply some pressure, and it's removed. This is the culprit. Okay, let's check for shorting again. Okay, the shorting is gone. Let me clean. Okay, so I think our motherboard has been repaired. So let me remove my jumper. Okay, so we have removed our shorting. Let me show you. This is our sensor register. Before it was giving beep and now it's giving 500 means impedance, means our V in short has been removed.